What if I told you there are creatures that vanish into thin air, sing like chainsaws, or crack bullets underwater? This isn't fantasy, it's nature like you've never seen before. The matriarch leads the herd with memory, love, and strength. These giants walk with wisdom in every step. With eyes sharp as lasers and wings like blades, the eagle dives in silence, owning the skies. Powerful and precise, the great white glides unseen, until it strikes. Mischief meets spirituality as langurs guard ruins with ancient grace. Together they stand, facing Antarctica's wrath, protecting life in freezing silence. With every ripple, they paint romance. Flamingos aren't just pink, they're poetry in motion. The hiss that silences the forest. The king cobra walks with fear and royalty. The ocean's pulse, in one breath. The blue whale, a moving continent beneath the waves. A ghost of winter winds, the snowy owl sees what we can't, in silence, it rules the white. Each step echoes royalty. The Bengal tiger isn't just feared, it's revered. Carving paths through endless silence, camels are the ships of the desert, calm, enduring, and ancient. Leaping with raw power, the kangaroo turns survival into a rhythmic dance across wild lands. Patience molded in a shell, this tortoise carries centuries with every step. Thunder without a storm, the mustangs run with hearts unchained, wild and free. A ripple, a blink, a strike, the crocodile is patience waiting in armor. With wings too fast for the eye and a heart beating faster than time, the hummingbird is magic in motion. Unusual, misunderstood, brilliant, the hammerhead isn't weird, it's a weapon of precision. Behind the power lies wisdom. The silverback speaks with silence, and all obey. One bee, a billion blooms, nature runs on her tiny wings. Stripes in chaos, unity in movement, zebras confuse the predator with harmony. Vanishing into stone and snow, the snow leopard is the ghost of the mountains. They leap through freezing waves with fire inside. Adelies are small, but fearless. A rainbow with wings, the macaw carries the forest's voice and color. One howl, many hearts. The wolf sings unity into the wild night. It waves not in warning, but in dance. The fiddler crab is nature's tiny performer. As if hand-painted by coral gods, the mandarin fish glows in underwater silence. No blueprint, no leader, just purpose. Army ants build by becoming. A performance for love, the bird of paradise turns courtship into an art form. It sees with echoes and glides with grace. The fruit bat is twilight's silent harvester. Built for speed and always alert, the rabbit's life is a heartbeat in the grass. With venom in its bite and fire in its gait, the Komodo is Earth's living dragon. Floating, playing, feasting, otters turn survival into joy. With one cry, a new day rises. The rooster is rhythm of rural life. Her lullaby echoes through the sea. The whale mother cradles an ocean of love. Tiny but deadly, the poison dart frog warns predators with colors that scream, beware. With every stride, the Arabian horse writes poetry in sand. Intelligence meets play. Dolphins dance through waves like ocean's joy unleashed. Elegance isn't made, it glides. The swan is nature's slow heartbeat. Rare and royal, the white tiger walks between myth and muscle. Safe in her pouch, the joey learns the world from love's pocket. When ice turns into a playground, penguins become joy in motion. In frozen silence, the Arctic wolf leads not with sound, but with presence. Silence is its shadow. The jungle cat hunts where whispers are louder than roars. They weigh nothing, yet travel thousands of miles. Monarchs are delicate legends. Tiny hands, mighty minds. Capuchins blur the line between beast and brain. Color is its language. The cuttlefish speaks in flashes and pulses. Beak and blade, thread and time, the weaverbird is nature's finest architect. Curious, clever, bold, raccoons are masked explorers of the night. It wears the forest like a second skin. The chameleon is art on 4 feet. With watchful eyes and a silent heart, the mountain dog is courage in fur. Love discovering the untold stories of nature? Subscribe now and join us every week as we explore the wildest side of Earth, only on Gurish Creatures.